All right, let's see if we can continue our luck. Tap for good luck. Torchic. Yo, Stormy. Ekans, snake backwards, my guy. Crab. Clam. A horse. Nothing. Okay, no worries. All right, how about we try another pack? Let's see. For good luck. I'm feeling lucky today. All right, come on. Pinecone. A clam. A horse sleeping like a very good boy. A mask with Lex. Giovanni, he's the man. Growlithe. Oh my gosh. Come on. All right. No way we go out like this. No way we go out like this. Let's go. All right. Last pack. Let's see what we can do. After this, I can't open any more packs. I'm like pack exhausted. Spider. Rattata. Blipbug. Larvitar. Hippopotamus. A mask. Giovanni. Nidoran. Hey! We'll take it. We'll take it. Okay. I'm sure this is only like a $2 card at best. Maybe $3 if we're lucky. No worries though. We got to pull.